the Bolt Energy 72 volt 400 amp continuous 600 amp burst solenoid. Sometimes it may be required that you move your existing resistor to your new solenoid. We do not supply this. This is just an example. You'll remove the lugs. Attach your main cables on either side and then put your resistor back on. From battery to the solenoid, your cable would go here, from solenoid to controller on that side, and then your coil activation wires would go here. There is no polarity unless you move your factory diode over.